Hey guys, this is SneakSpark02, and today I'm gonna make a giveaway video, and this is the first on my channel that I've actually done. So yeah, and I got some awesome prizes. But first, here are the rules. First, you must be subscribed to me, SneakSpark02, and then second, you must like the video. And then finally, you must comment down below your favorite Pokemon, and then you will be entered into the video or into the giveaway. So this will end when I get at least 20 comments or likes or whatever, or both. So yeah, whenever I get like 20 or 30 or so comments, likes, then I will end the video, end the giveaway, and then I'll pick a winner on YouTube. So yeah, but let's get to the prizes. So I'm gonna do all one winner. Instead, I'm not gonna do places. I'm just gonna do all one winner. So first place, obviously, we'll get Sigilyph Hollow, Archeops Hollow, Electros Hollow, Golurk Hollow, Zapdos Hollow, Sigilyph Hollow, Genesect Hollow, Delphox Hollow. You'll get a Dragonite Hollow from those little checkline blister things. This Dragonite is X and Y. You'll get a Life Dew Ace-Spec from Plasma Freeze. You will get a Mew EX Full Art from Legendary Treasures, Shaman EX Full Art from Legendary Treasures, and Emolga Emolga Full Art. So yeah, not too bad prizes. So if you win, this is what you will receive. Only one winner, so you will receive all of these cards. So yeah, again guys, the rules are just to subscribe, like, and comment your favorite Pokemon, and I will put those in the description. But yeah, and I will end the video when I get probably 25-30 likes or comments. So yeah, so you'll get all this if you do that. So thank you guys for watching this giveaway video, and stay tuned.